G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives, although we're not looking at a knife. We are looking at another one of Grandpa's old pocket watches. Okay, so this was also from my mother's father, and like I said, he was a train driver. Okay, anyway, so look at this thing. This is a waist clock Zobo. Okay, and it's keeping time. Look at the little second hand. It's keeping time. It's got the most satisfying click. Listen to this. Okay, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but you can hear these guys quite loudly. Shock resistant, and then it does glow in the dark still. Can we see that? Okay, even the little numbers. Sorry if I'm giving you a tension headache. Anyway, so this thing is quite nice. Now, I opened it already to show you the back. Okay, everything is nice and working. And if we look over there, we can see West Clock made in Canada. Okay, so these guys were mainly made in America. Some were made in Canada. There were a few other places, I think, but I cannot remember now. And then come, little friend. Okay, I'll fight that later. Anyway, and then this one, the one made in Canada. If we look at the dials, if we look at the colors, if we look at everything about this thing, AI tells me that it's most likely made between 1948 and 1955 with this one specifically, because they normally have year and month stamps on the inside. This one does not, and apparently that means this is most likely 1950. So for a watch that is 76 years old, this thing is quite marvelous. Okay, we wind it with the crown. You pull it out if you want to set it. Normal standard operating procedure. I need to close this thing. Okay, I'll do that now. Anyway, but what a lovely little thing. Now, this was supposed to be dollar watches. So when they were made, they were supposed to be extremely inexpensive, relatively, excuse me, accurate. So it was a common man's watch. Or pocket watch at least. But now these days, apparently, here in South Africa, they can go anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 for a working one, and somewhere up to like 500 rand for a non-working one. I'm not sure who's going to wear pocket watches, but I've been carrying this thing around and playing with it, and it's quite nice. Once a day, I wind it, and it makes this beautiful sound. Okay, I'm not saying let's all turn into hipsters and bring this back, but I am quite enjoying it. Putting it next to me while I braai. Get my timing right. Okay. I'm going to add something towards the end. All of you stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye. So much better than a fidget coin. Okay, super. Okay, all of you stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye. If you have made it till the end of this video, you are fantastic. Give yourself a thumbs up. Remember, I do have a membership. You don't get anything, but you help me a lot. And subscribe. Goodbye.